Welcome to the flood simulation in virtual reality. This simulation will help you learn the proper ways to act before, during, and after a flood, ensuring safety for you and those around you. Please take a moment to learn the game controls before starting the mission so you can navigate smoothly. Here are the basic controls. Press button A or B to view your task list and instructions. Use the trigger, back button, to pick up or grab objects. Use the thumbstick to walk and rotate the camera angle. Use the grip button to hold or steady objects firmly. Enjoy the mission and learn safely. Stage 1. Preparing for a flood. You have received an alert on your mobile phone that flooding will occur in the city within the next hour. This is due to heavy rain since last night, and the flood barriers have been damaged, causing water to come in quickly. Our task now is to prepare as best as possible. We need to pack essential items into a bag so we can evacuate immediately if needed. The items to prepare include drinking water, dry food, important documents, a flashlight, plastic bags, a raincoat, boots, spare batteries, and an emergency radio. Additionally, we must protect our home from flooding by moving important belongings to higher ground, such as portable electrical appliances. We also need to turn off the electrical system to prevent electric shocks. You have 5 minutes to get ready. What you need to do now: 1. Prepare your emergency bag. 2. Move items to higher places. 3. Turn off the water and electricity. 4. Place sandbags in front of the house. Press button A or B to view the checklist. Stage 2. Monitoring water levels. The water is rising so fast. I barely had time to prepare, but luckily I made it up to the second floor in time. The first thing we need to do now is check the water level around us and quickly block any water from entering the house. Here's what we have to do. Seal all the entrances with the sandbags we prepared and close all water outlets in the bathroom. After that, we need to keep a close watch on the water level. Right now, there's nothing else we can do except wait for the water to go down. We only have 2 minutes while the water keeps rising, so let's hurry and check everything carefully. Seal all entry points using the sandbags we have prepared. Close all water outlets in the bathroom and monitor the water level closely. Press button A or B to display the list of precautions. If you forget, just press to review the information. Stage 3. Cleaning up after the flood. This is the situation after the flood. It's now the next morning, and the floodwaters have started to recede. What we need to do now is inspect the house and then begin cleaning up, which can be quite exhausting. The amount of mud brought in will be significant, especially if the flood was severe. But if the water level wasn't very high, the amount of mud will be less. We don't have much time, so let's hurry and deal with the mud. First, we need to find the cleaning equipment, which is stored in the kitchen. The mission in this stage is to clean up all the mud brought in by the flood. Press the A/B button to display the list of remaining mud.